Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am installing a little mod on my car. So this is for the start button. This is just you can say a decoration piece I'm gonna install on my car. So I thought why not make a video about it. So this is a transformer logo, as you can see. So this is transformer logo for the startup button in the car. So just to give it a different look in the car, this is like a metal stuff, and right now it's running outside. This guy is going crazy for no reason. And we have here double tape, and we have a metal transformer cap right here. Check this out. I think it's gonna look good, but let's see. It's quite tight, so I'm gonna install put double tape on it, and then I'll put on the button and see if it's gonna actually fit. Oh wow, this is like a perfect fit for my car, and it's actually looking very nice. And yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna put the double tape on it and see how it's gonna look. Check this out. It does not seem like very impressive, but it's fine, I guess. This is how it looks right now, and I thought the light would be coming out of this eyes and look more like its transformer, but it's not. I think because it's the daylight is outside and it's quite bright. Maybe in the dark it will look much better. So right now this is how it looks. So tell me guys, what do you think? I think this is a cool little touch, so I like it. And this is also the neon glow light, and I'm probably gonna upgrade later on, and I will try to put on the door ceiling as well. Right now it's just here in the dash, so I'll show you guys in the night time how it looks. Alright guys, so time to show you guys how it looks. As you can see, this is how it looks right now. This is the start button, and look at that. I can move it up and start this car. What do you think? And then after it starts, it looks red. Don't you think it looks cool? I think it does to me. So let me know guys, what do you think? I think it's a cool little gadget, and I will say a cool little mod for interior. Very cheap, like $5-6 I think on Amazon. So yeah, this is how it looks. So tell me, what do you think? I think it looks good. And this is the neon, how it looks. And I will probably increase this later. I'll get the bigger one, the one with the changing color, RGB one, so I can change the color of it. I think in the door it should look good. So yeah, and this is about it. Right now the engine is charging the battery. So this was the gadget product that I installed. I just want to show you guys in the dark, so you can have a better idea how it's going to look in the dark when the car is off. As you can see, when the car is off, it's going to be white, like when you come and sit inside. And this is how it's going to look when it's white. Alright, so hopefully you like this gadget, and I'll probably see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.